Yo guys, this is my new song. Let's go, Baby Mama Rocking Me. I'm feeling alive, electric energy pulses pumping my heart. In harmony, I am moving the beat of it, my feet on the floor. I am rocking like a baby. I'm rocking like a baby. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. More chorus, Baby Mama rocking me. Got the rhythm in my soul. Can't you see I'm grooving like a pro? Got the music in my bones. Got the music in my bones. Baby mama rocking me all night long. Leave me alone, Liana! Come and show you guys, okay? Is the tree there by the window? Leave me alone! No thanks! No thanks! I don't want to come inside. Zeke! Yo, Zeke! Yo, Zeke! Just wait. Help me. I see the light. Zeke! Just out, guys. I don't see light. I can't lose light. Look, there's light. Light. Yo, Zeke! I don't think it's coming out, guys. But give me like 1 or 2 likes on this video if you want me to. If you want me to make the song into a big song and change some lyrics. Peace.